Hi, my name is Joel Cross. I'm the Chief of Operations here at L3 Aerospace's Waco facility. Behind me, you see a C-47 that we had the opportunity to restore with the Commemorative Air Force. This historic piece of aviation history participated in the Normandy invasion. And we are so proud to have had the opportunity to participate with the CAF, putting us back into the flying inventory. One of the greatest things about working at L3 Waco is the varied aircraft we get to see and work on. Our paint artisans have applied their marvelous talents on just about everything you can think of, from crop dusters to the latest head of state 747s. But getting a chance to paint that All Brother was something they were really very excited about, especially given the historic nature of the airplane. L3, along with PPG, Consolidated Air, and Air Corporations, donated labor and materials to bring this beautiful C-47 almost back to its June 6, 1944 condition. I sure hope you get a chance to get out and see this airplane as a flying piece of history if it's ever near you.
How are you? Yeah, that's good.
The plane we're looking at here is called That's All Brother. It's a C-47 and it led the D-Day invasion June 6, 1944. It was lost to history and was later found by an Air Force historian, and we were able to restore it to its historic condition. But it carried the first of the 101st Airborne into Normandy, and so it represents a very special place in history.
My understanding the night before on D-Day that some of the troops went down and got some mops and got some paint, hardware stores, and they mopped this stripes before the invasion. That's my understanding.